Sezzle is a buy now pay later platform that allows customers to split their purchases into interest-free installments. While Sezzle itself doesn't directly pay users, there are several ways to make money using Sezzle services or through partnerships. Here are some methods. Become a Sezzle merchant. Sell products with Sezzle integration. If you own an online store, you can offer Sezzle as a payment option. This attracts more customers who prefer flexible payments, increasing your sales. Higher conversion rates. Customers are more likely to complete purchases when they can pay in installments, boosting your revenue. Affiliate marketing with Sezzle. Join the Sezzle affiliate program. Promote Sezzle on your website, social media, or blog. Earn commissions for every customer who signs up through your referral link. Create content. Share tutorials or product reviews featuring Sezzle as a payment method to drive traffic and earn commissions. Resell high-demand items. Leverage Sezzle for inventory. Use Sezzle to purchase trending items in installments. Resell these products at a higher price for a profit while paying for the item over time.